I am set up in my new yoga studio, which is basically 3 yoga mats laid down. This is the kids' playroom. I'm on a wellness journey, both physically and mentally. Cooking provides a lot of stress relief and therapy for me. I love to make stuff in Instant Pot, and I love to make food. I do keto and low carb mostly. All the desserts that I eat I have to make myself, so sometimes I just eat some of the kids' food, and and that's okay. I don't do it all the time. But anyways, I've had this Instant Pot sitting in the closet. I own 3 Instant Pots, 2 6 quarts and 1 8 quart. And that one in the kitchen is 8 quart ultra. I use a lot. And I was thinking that if you're local, maybe you can come and borrow it, and then I can show you how to make some stuff in the Instant Pot. And that's one way I can think of giving back. A lot of you guys have been curious about this little device, and you may not want to invest until you know that it works for you. So, I have 2 that's sitting there and do nothing. Why not share and start a little bit of a Instant Pot loan program, and then we can cook together. What do you guys think about that? I live in the Anaheim Hills area in Orange County, California. So if you own an Instant Pot, fabulous. You don't have to borrow. If your Instant Pot has been sitting in the corner or still in the box, I think now is the time to take it out and give it a try, and we can cook together. You can come up with a recipe or an idea, or I can show you how to make some of my favorite stuff with whatever you have on hand. So this is a new idea, so I'm trying to see if there are any interests, and if there are, we can do some lives or some cooking classes together.